Well, just when it looked like the winter and Mother Nature would finally be releasing us from that icy grip, more curveballs being thrown our way in terms of the weather. Cold air is in the process of really funneling in right now. Wind chill advisories out for the Poconos, the northern Alleghenies, stretching down the Laurel Highlands into southwestern Pennsylvania for dangerously cold wind chills for the first part of Friday, thanks to the winds. Winds are gusting to 36 miles an hour in Scranton, 40-mile-an-hour gusts in State College, 33-mile-an-hour gusts in Allentown, and come tomorrow morning, wind chills are going to be dangerously cold, around 10 to 20 degrees below zero. It already feels almost that cold in Bradford, negative 19 right now, the real field temperature. It feels like negative 18 in Johnstown, feeling like 5 in Allentown, but that number will be going way down come tomorrow morning thanks to dropping temperatures to around zero. On satellite radar, we had a few snow squalls move through earlier today, but now the skies are clearing, and that is allowing these temperatures to plunge overnight tonight, close to record levels in some spots. There will not be a record in Allentown tonight because the record is negative 10. We will not go quite that low, but for almost the beginning of March, unprecedented cold that really is hard to come by for this time of the year. All eyes turning to late in the weekend. It's the buzz that everybody is talking about. Everybody is sick of the snow, and it looks like more is on the way. An Arctic high anchored to the north, supplying a lot of cold air across this part of the country, but also a lot of warm air trying to move up from the south. It's going to cause a huge temperature gradient to set up a front right around the Mason-Dixon line. That is perfect fuel for an area of low pressure to track along. Low pressure systems love air mass differences, and we're going to have a heck of one setting up late in the weekend. So this area of low pressure, it's not a big storm, but it's just going to kind of ride along this stalled out front that sets up, and a lot of moisture on the north end of it. We call it overrunning. You get a lot of warm, moist air riding up over frigid cold air. It can create a lot of precipitation, and we are looking at the possibility of some heavy snow setting up for basically north of the Mason-Dixon line for Sunday night and Monday. Still a lot of details to be ironed out with this system, but right now I'm thinking that for the Lehigh Valley, a significant snow is in the works for Sunday night and Monday. We only need 8.6 inches of snow in Allentown to put us in the #1 spot for snowfall above 1993, 1994. And I think we have a good shot of doing it early next week. For tonight, temperatures will be dangerously cold as we plunge to around 0 degrees below zero in the colder spots, barely above zero in the warmer spots. The winds gusting to about 40 miles an hour. For your Friday, a lot of useless sunshine, 16 to 20 will do it on the high side, but feeling more like the single digits during the day. And on the exclusive Campus Weather Service 7-day forecast, Saturday, not a bad day actually, 34 degrees, which is still about 15 degrees below normal, with clouds increasing. Sunday, snow likely moving in the evening, 32. Monday could just be a day filled with heavy snow and possibly some mixed precipitation to the south, 28. We clear out Tuesday back to 27. Cold hangs around through the midweek. We still will be seeing temperatures nearly 20 to 25 degrees below normal for March standards come next week. It is coming in like a lion indeed.